good evening. The election carnival has reached the beautiful city of Nizams and Kebabs, the city of Hyderabad. I'm Maria Shakil.
I'm Uma Sudhir, and you forgot the biryani and the pearls and everything else, the cuisine of Telangana that we talk about. But right now, it's the spice of politics that we are going to be focusing on.
In this spice of politics, why is Hyderabad so crucial? Uma.
Hyderabad is very crucial because it's the heart of the country we consider ourselves, and it's very cosmopolitan. So much of a mixed population from across the country. Everyone lives in a lot of amity. Whoever comes here actually ends up thinking कि मैं तो हैदराबादी हूँ. I like the coolness of the relaxed style of Hyderabad, and yet we are high tech. We have tradition and we have culture, and we believe a lot in democracy. And that's why I think Hyderabad is very important in more ways than one.
Yes, and this time around in Hyderabad, the big election that is playing out is between MIM and Madhavi Lata, who has acquired a sudden fame, I would say. Why do you think the Congress and the BRS is not being discussed?
Okay, the interest that's been captured in the media and elsewhere is Hyderabad. Of course, there are 16 other constituencies, but a lot of importance to Hyderabad, the Lok Sabha constituency, because that's a seat that Asaduddin Owaisi himself has occupied for the last 20 years, and before that his dad as well, and is a woman candidate from the BJP able to give that kind of a challenge. Never happened before. She has captured people's imagination in many ways, that she's able to kind of challenge this, and that's why a lot of interest, the way we thought about Thiruvananthapuram, similarly Hyderabad, Madhavi Lata and Asaduddin Owaisi.
So ladies and gentlemen, let's invite the guests that we have on the dais. They're already seated. Rabula Sridhar, Ram Mohan Reddy, NV Subhash, Saida Palak, all of them are joining us. MIM, BRS, Congress and the BJP are very well represented. So Uma, let's begin the discussion, and I'm going to begin with Saida Palak. Saida, how anxious is the MIM in that roadshow of Mr. Amit Shah, where it appeared that the people of Hyderabad are there to bless perhaps Madhavi Lata?
No, we are not at all anxious. It shows the anxiousness of the BJP, because Asaduddin Owaisi Sahab is the best parliamentarian. He stands in the parliament and questions the government about the issues of minorities so bravely, with so much of courage, that the BJP cannot digest it. So they want him to be defeated here, and they are trying the best, and they'll not be successful in that anyhow. They are trying the level best. They'll not be successful. They are worried. That's why they are here. We are not worried. We will win with a thumping majority.
We have got a politician making a debut. She's not even a politician. I mean, she's entered the electoral fray straight away without even probably being a member of the party at that point in time. But very often, Asaduddin Owaisi is accused of being Team B, that you want Asaduddin Owaisi to be there so that you can do your kind of politics.
Asaduddin Owaisi and MIM are not, the Team B of the Bharatiya Janata Party. They are only Team A and B of BRS and the Congress Party. If you have seen from past 40 years, whenever, whichever political party is in the fray in the elections, they always count around 16 seats, not, the 17 seats. But after Bharatiya Janata Party's candidate who has come into the fray, as you rightly said, she is not a member of the, the party, but she has come. The party has chosen a brave woman. That is the beauty of, the Bharatiya Janata Party. So all, the foundation of MIM, and they have become so intolerant that, the foundation is getting shaken because of one simple woman who have been instrumental in making many of the minorities to come on the streets and ask their respect.
Okay, so what is the role of the Congress and the BRS? First, the Congress. You are the sitting government here.
And
are you not really in the fray?
And we are contesting there.
Oh, you are contesting, but are you really in the contest?
But see, when it comes to MIM, I have a different opinion, because they usually sail with the ruling government. Either it may be at state level or at the central level. Once there is a central level, BJP is there, though they went in, hidden alliance with the BJP and fought to cut off the secular votes in the rest of the states. But when it comes to Telangana, now they may be selling with us in the future. So we have an arrangement
with the MIM that, okay, you contest Hyderabad and rest of the places send out the word that the minority vote needs to come to us.
No, not like that. See, there when it comes to Hyderabad, we are contesting there. We are serious, but irrespective of the outcome, we will welcome it. But we are fighting there very strong.
Friendly
BRS
competition.
not in the race, has never been, actually no, the party has really been in the race in the old city.
No, I mean, we are contesting there. We have a candidate called Gaddam Srinivas Yadav there, contesting from our party. End of the day, it is the people of the constituency has to choose who will be their parliamentarian. We will present our case. We will tell them what we have done in the past 10 years as BRS government. But here, what's happening today in old city? That's what I'm asking you. Not only there, wherever predominantly this polarization politics. I am asking both the national parties. Are you dead enough to say what have you done being the national government in the past 10 years? What have you done to Hyderabad? What have you done to those sections whom are you asking today the votes? It is the BRS government who has done for the development and welfare of these sections. That's what I'm saying again and again. We have ensured the protection and maintenance of the peace as well the Ganga Jamni Tahzeeb of Hyderabad city. That is the beauty of BRS
What
party
I
and our
must ask the
government.
MIM is, why do you get limited to Hyderabad? It must be an arrangement with the, Ram Mohan said that you have an arrangement with the ruling party. There are minorities elsewhere as well, and MIM does represent the interests of that community. Nothing wrong with that. But why do you never contest any elections elsewhere? You go outside the state and contest, but in the state, you never contest other
We
seats.
have contested elections we have fielded candidates
I'm talking outside of Hyderabad.
Adilabad or Nizamabad, wherever we have contested on corporator seats. And when the time is right, we'll contest on
Okay.
the MLA and
I'll
MP
just
seats
try and
also.
get
Maria,
some
one second.
voices
Maria,
from
Maria.
the people. No.
One sec,
moment,
one
sir.
sec.
There are some people who are interested in asking questions. Yes, please.
Yeah, hello. My question is with the BJP spokesperson here is, he just said that we do not have any kind of alliance and MIM goes after whoever wins the election. What choice does MIM have without, if not supporting the state center chief minister? I mean, if Congress wins and the chief minister is Revanth Reddy now, and MIM, what choice does it have if not to form an alliance? You have to form an alliance only in the friendly manner you can get works done. So it is not the alliance at a personal level, it is purely political for the benefit of the public. So
Okay.
it cannot be.
I didn't get the question.
हिंदी में बोल सकता हूँ मैं। देखिए मैडम, सबसे पहली चीज़ तो मोदी सरकार जब आई है, सबसे पहला वादा करी कि 15 लाख रुपए देंगे और गवर्नमेंट जो है ना एक ऑर्डर,
ये हैदराबाद में सबसे बड़ा इशू है यही.
मैं सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट का बोल रहा हूँ मैं, ये लोग आप बोल रहे हैं 300-400 पार बता रहे हैं, 400 पार कब होंगे वो देखना चाहिए उसके लिए।
नहीं, मुझे जानना है कि हैदराबाद में क्या इशू.
हमारे हैदराबाद पर अपने एमपी साहब के फंड से हमें बारात घर का 33 लाख का हमें जो प्रॉब्लम हो रही थी, एमपी साहब ने हमें वो प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करके दिया। क्या किसी पार्टी ने हमें करके दिया ये काम? हमने मिनिस्टर साहब को, हर किसी को रिक्वेस्ट लेटर लिखा, लेकिन एमपी साहब ने हमारी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करी।
So you are of the opinion that Owaisi has delivered.
यस मैम, दलितों की आवाज।
One moment.
ओवैसी साहब दलितों की आवाज़ है और जो काम करते हैं दलितों की हमेशा आवाज़ उठाते हैं, सिर्फ एक ही पार्टी है, MIM पार्टी है।
While PM Modi talks about Beti Bachao, I'd like to know why are rape cases increasing in Rajasthan?
Okay, one moment more. Are there more questions here? Neutral voices, please sit down. Yes. In asking a question, what are the issues of youth of Hyderabad?
ये जो इलेक्शन से पहले जो वादे करते जो बोलते सब लोग, फिर इलेक्शन के बाद सब पलट जाते, सब बदल जाते.
You don't have faith in any political party?
No.
You think nobody delivers?
No, nobody delivers.
Nobody is trustworthy?
No,
This is
no.
not fair, yeah.
No,
So he doesn't believe in it.
नहीं सब बोलते
आप इतना
इलेक्शन से
काम
पहले
करते हैं
सब,
आपके लिए, आप
नहीं काम करते वो अलग बात है, मगर जो इलेक्शन से पहले सब लोग अलग अलग बातें करते, सब लोग पब्लिक को वो आते घर घर आके परेशानी पूछते, क्या प्रॉब्लम है सब पूछते सब, फिर इलेक्शन के बाद कोई नहीं दिखता, सब भाग जाते इलेक्शन के बाद.
That's across parties. Okay, one moment. बताइए अपने बारे में और उसके सवाल.
मेरा नाम संदीपा है. I just wanted to make a comment on I'm not pro to any of the candidates, but with the little videos or the little knowledge that I have in regards to both the candidates of AIMIM and BJP, I feel the beauty of being a leader is lost, and it's not just about, you know, you promoting your videos of, you know, making sure you show your arrow towards a mosque, or it's not about that. It's, you know, show people the vision that you have for the city, show people the vision that you aim to achieve for that city, be it development, be it working for the poor. Don't make it a point that, you know, your vote is important and not the voter.
ये जो वो जो वीडियो आया था वो तो प्रॉब्लमैटिक था, आप भी मानिएगा कि वो थिएट्रिक्स ज्यादा हो रहा है। सुभाष जी,
अब देखिए अभी, so for every issue, if you wanted to make a issue, that is, you know, not the point on that. Why this, you know, the same party which has been in power, always supporting the Congress party or, you know, the BRS party, earlier, you know, the TDP also, but appeasement is only the policy which all these three parties have. That is what we are objecting on that. We are objecting on that. We are also with, you know, the minorities. We are also with minorities.
Congress also can
we can say that.
एक बात बताना चाहता हूँ।
Friendly
ये जो
relations
शहर है, आप
you wanted to appease. You wanted to appease. No.
ये जो शहर है,
you wanted to appease.
ये गंगा
Other than
जमनी
that, you
तहजीब
don't want to
का
have any development
ये
in that.
example है।
When we give the
हमने
gas connection, we don't differentiate whether it is, you know, Muslim or Hindu on that. When you give, you know, the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, we don't differentiate whether it is a Muslim or, you know, the Hindu or
भरोसे
that.
के साथ take any development and social indicators of Telangana in the past 10 years, whether it is per capita income, per capita power consumption, growth of the state,
convince the
GSDP.
people about all this, but why didn't they vote for you
them
then?
only. See, on, you know, in your presence, I am asking them the basic amenities in Hyderabad. Power, did BJP government, did BRS government give you 24 hours power or not? Did we give you water or not? Did we build flyovers or not? यहाँ जो देख रहे हैं आप, this particular building, if you have camera, can you please zoom? This is steel bridge of 2.6 kilometers. I came to Hyderabad for an MBA in 1996. Till our government built this, there was huge traffic chaos.
So does that mean that
Chaos.
people don't
देखिए,
vote in governments that are fulfilling their promises?
He might see. I respect his opinion. Everybody has their, you know, liberty to have their own opinion. But I, as a representative of BJP, BRS party and government, I can tell you with confidence, in every sector, right from irrigation, drinking water, power, you know, welfare, we have taken care of, and we are known for it in the country. And BJP government itself, एक मिनट भाई, BJP government itself in the center has declared us the only largest state which has given 24 hours, you know, potable drinking water to all its habitations in the country.
Unfortunately,
That's many things. There are many such accolades for us.
Does he want to say that before 2014 Hyderabad people were living in jungle or what?
ये ब्रिज है क्या?
हाँ?
2014 से पहले ब्रिज है क्या?
हैदराबाद बोले 2 किलोमीटर का ब्रिज है क्या? हैदराबाद
हाँ, सेक्रेटरीट है क्या?
What do you mean by?
अम्बेडकर का पुतला है क्या? आपका भी बना है? सेक्रेटरीट है क्या? ये स्टील ब्रिज आपके सामने है. कोई, I mean, we have built 36 flyovers in the state, in Hyderabad itself.
And yet
7 lakh crore का debt है क्या?
36
One
sewerage
second,
treatment plants, 36 sewerage treatment plants, 36 flyovers.
You know, but it's rather
आपको और एक बात बताता हूँ.
No, it's rather
मारिया,
interesting.
finally, इन लोग बोलते हैं कि देखो, मैं मजहब का नाम लेके वोट पूछना नहीं चाहता. मैं भी जय श्री राम बोलता हूँ, जय तेलंगाना बोलता हूँ, जय हिंद बोलता हूँ. सुनिए, इंग्लिश पूछ रहे हैं भाई, लेट मी, मुझे इंग्लिश भी आता है. हम लोग सुनो, वेट, हमने यादाद्री बनाया, यादगिरी गुट्टा, यहाँ पर more than 1,000 crores has been spent. हमने कभी मजहब के नाम पर वोट पूछा नहीं है. हम विकास और कल्याण के ऊपर, डेवलपमेंट एंड वेलफेयर के ऊपर we will ask the votes. That is BRS party.
The spokesperson has lost interest in the discussion only.
What is there to say, yaar?
Mr. Subhash,
Is it?
Did they give 1 rupee to Hyderabad?
Is it, you know, the BRS?
Now I just wanted to tell you what Congress
Did they give money to floods?
No, BRS
No,
spoke about its claims.
Let me tell
But
you.
I must point out that the
Let me tell
BRS
you.
did not win the election. So either people are not voting in a government that has fulfilled its promises
1.8%.
and has voted it.
believe you.
Ma'am,
Listen.
in this
Listen, ma'am,
NDTV
listen,
election
1.8%.
carnival,
You know,
Okay, let the
39
Congress
MLAs.
and BJP have a say.
in this NDTV election carnival, we are discussing on this Lok Sabha elections. BRS told that before 2014 people were living in jungle and everything. Rest of
Did I say
the
that?
development was.
मैंने बोला क्या?
He seemed to be like that.
आपको ऐसा लगता है कि आप जंगल का सोच है?
If you just
आपका सोच वैसा
throw
है,
a-
सुधरा नहीं है।
Let him finish. Let him finish.
if you just throw a needle, at any point in Hyderabad, within 3 kilometers of radius, there will be a PSU. There will be a national institute. Talking from ECIL ले लो, RCIL ले लो, BHEL ले लो, या कुछ भी ले लो, कांग्रेस ने ही तो किया है। और एक बात, सबसे बड़ा एयरपोर्ट कौन लेकर आया है? लेंथीएस्ट फ्लाईओवर्स कौन लेकर आया है? हैदराबाद का हार्मनी कौन बचाया है?
Okay.
It is not about progress.
Okay, let him speak.
BRS has given us 7 lakh crores of debt. 7 lakh crores of debt.
Other than proposing a name change for Hyderabad, what else are you promising to Hyderabad?
Listen, whenever we go for the election, the gentleman has
Jumla aur
asked.
hamla.
Listen, if you just keep on intervening, I will also intervene on that.
Because you were
See,
intervening.
no, I did not. See, the gentleman has really asked an intelligent question that all the political parties come and then ask for the elections, vote, and then after that they just disappear on
One
that.
question after
But the Bharatiya Janata Party, whenever we come for the elections, we give a manifesto which is there in my hand. We give the manifesto and ask for vote. And every 2-3 years we give a report to the people as we have done earlier.
My sister asked from there, if your government was so good, why the rape cases were increasing? I am asking you a question. Can you comment or can you make a statement, or why BJP has not made a statement on Prajwal Revanna case? Why is out of the country today? Who moved him out of the country today?
Brij Bhushan.
Have you have any respect for them? What happened to Brij Bhushan?
No, but this question can be asked to both the Congress as well. But we are not
I'll
going to
ask.
shift
I will ask
focus
both
to
of
that.
them.
I'm not going to
She asked the question.
No,
She asked the
don't
question.
divert. Let's
Yes,
put
she
the
said
focus
the
back on
question.
Hyderabad.
We are
Wrapping
now
up.
wrapping up the show.
30
Just
seconds.
looking forward at this election, what is your forecast for your respective parties? I'll start with Mr. Subhash, but keep it very, very brief.
We are looking for the development because as we have done for whole country, that whole world is looking for Modi government. He has become a international leader. We are looking for the Vikasit Bharat. We are
number, sir, just the number.
We are looking for Vikasit Bharat. We are looking for Vikasit Bharat 2047 में पूरा देश में, पूरा प्रपंच में, पूरा विश्व में विश्व गुरु बनने का जो बुनियाद जो बन रहा है, आज
यार, वो
वोट मांग
speech
रहे
दे
हैं,
रहा
है।
जो विकसित जो आ रहा है.
You ask him number, he is giving speech. वो समझते नहीं है लोग.
The Congress spokesperson,
Ramon.
please now.
We are going to focus on 1 second. Bhaiya, 1 second. 1 second.
That's not. Wait.
1 second.
Let him say the number. Let him
Okay,
say the number.
he will go. Don't worry. He will go. He'll go. Okay. Your demand will be considered.
Okay, go
Okay,
ahead.
go ahead with your thing.
Please be silent.
Party.
Please be silent. Yes.
Congress party as usually focuses on progress, upliftment, empowerment and development. ये जो बात है GDP का, गैस, डीजल और पेट्रोल का, ये तो this is not funny. This is our life.
You
This is
reduce
our
first-
progress.
You reduce
From
in
past
Telangana.
10 years.
Arre,
From
you reduce
past
in
10
Telangana.
years.
You reduce
Speech
in
mode again,
Telangana.
Ramon Garu,
From
please
past
come to
10
the
years, BJP government delivered nothing. A big hole. A big hole. When people doesn't get patience,
Hole
we
in
have
the
come into
people's
power in
pocket.
100 days. And when you can't question the government who ruled for 10 years, then let us check our IQ. See the point. The
BRS.
point
Let
is
me-
Congress
let
party
me-
is going to win
let
That's
me-
the
huge.
PRS going to be having a future
And we are
after
going
these
to make caste
elections as
census.
well.
Caste census.
Nobody can spoil our future. We are the voice of Telangana, the true voice of Telangana. People might say 100 things, but we will retain our number. We will come back very strongly. We don't just say, ये किराई बातें नहीं चलते हमारे पास. This is Telangana.
Only
And
voice,
here,
only flowers will not work.
Every discussion goes around KCR. बिना KCR के उन लोगों का दुकान ही
Okay,
नहीं
we got
चलता.
it, ma'am.
We are going to win our seat and we are looking forward for the development and
बिना
peace of
KCR के
Telangana.
दुकान ही नहीं चलता है.
उनको बोलने दीजिए.
We want to
Only-
say we are not A team or B team or anybody.
Modi,
We are the A team of Telangana.
He is signing to call
KCR and BRS is the A team of Telangana.
Subhash Rao said that Madhavi Lata and BJP is giving respect to minorities. किस सूरत से बोल रहे हैं भाई आप?
अरे देखिए
Modi
ना,
ji
अरे
openly
देखिए ना, जब
giving
मालवीय
a
लता
speech.
जब
This
He's openly
debate will
saying
go on
that
for
Muslim
long.
में
आए.
मुस्लिम
This
आठ
is
दस
something
बच्चे
that
पैदा
लोग
करते
बार
हैं.
बार आ
She
रहे
is
हैं,
showing
औरत भी आ
attitude
रहे हैं.
towards boss.
और
Raja Singh
सभी
openly
लोग
हर तरह
बाहर
की
आके
नहीं
उसका
So let the
स्वागत कर
people
रहे हैं,
answer.
स्वागत कर रहे हैं.
We are going to
Musulman
see
will
the
be
numbers.
around.
Let the people speak their mandate and give their vote and tell these politicians what is important to them and what is not, who they trust and who they do not.
Yes, and with that, it's a wrap from us. The election carnival will continue and move to another city. Thanks so much for watching and goodbye.